Yeah, pretty much really. I've always been interested in technology ever since I've been in high school, and then I built my first computer, and so that always was into me, and then I've always wanted to know more about computers, so I figured this was the first step.
Something I've always been interested in, even as a kid. It's just something I grew up with. I've always been into computers and stuff, and then I had plenty of jobs revolving around the same thing, so might as well pursue it further.
Here because I've always been fascinated with technology, so I think it's just been a really big part of my life. I've always been fascinated with like cell phones, computers, so that's why I came to the WVJC IT program, just because I want to learn how computers work.
I was always interested in computers, and I always liked the hardware aspect of it, so I decided to try it out, and I'm loving it right now.
I'm in the field of IT. I like computers a lot, and it'd be good to have a job in something I like.
The thing that's wonderful about the experience here at WVJC is we do have work studies and externships that really help prepare you for a career, not just for the education experience itself.